Hello, this is Ripon Chapel from WP and today we are going to cover an interesting topic for our WordPress website. As you can see, I have made my website completely, and here in the right side sidebar you can see a newsletter, and this newsletter is made by Contact Form 7, and it's right now it's not connected with Mailchimp. So what we are gonna do is we will connect this newsletter form with our Mailchimp. So first of all, we'll test how this contact form is working right now. So we have made a contact form, as you can see here, block sidebar form. So I am gonna edit it, and you can see only the field is only with the email sections here, nothing else is here. That's why it is coming like this. Now we will check how we can connect it to our Mailchimp. So for doing that, we will install a plugin called Integration for Mailchimp and Contact Form 7, WP Forms, Elementor and Ninja Forms. So we'll copy it and we'll go here and we'll go on here plugins, then click on add new plugin, and then in search plugin we will paste that, and we will install this one, and after that we will activate the plugin. So after activating the plugin, we will refresh the page. Now we can see this plugin has been successfully installed, and a new menu will come here in the sidebar. So I'll click on here on the Mailchimp button, and in here, as you can see here, to get started, please configure your Mailchimp settings. So I'll click on here, and after that I need to add the Mailchimp account to my website. So I'll click on here add new account, and as you can see here, account name, then API key, then notify by email on errors. So I need to go on my Mailchimp account. So if you don't have an account, then click on here sign up for one here. So I will click on here, then as you can see I am already logged in here. If you don't have an account, then please open an account in the Mailchimp. Then I need the here I need to go again. I need the API key. So there is a things that I need to make sure. For the API key, I need to go here Mailchimp, then profile, then extras. So I'll go on profile, then I'll go on audience. Here in the account and billing section I need to go. Then you will see these options here, the extras. Then I will go here for the API keys. You can see I am having a API key already. I'll create a new one to see you how to create a key here. So I'll click on here create a key, and I will give a name that blog Mailchimp. Okay, then I will click on here generate key. Then you can see here it is your key. So I'll copy to clipboard, then I'll click on done. Okay, so the account name that I will write here, and the API key, that is this one, and the account name is, as you can see here, Ripon. So I'll set it to Ripon. Then this is the API key, and after that I will click on here save changes. Now I need to go here to the Mailchimp Feeds, and from the Mailchimp Feeds I need to click here the add new button. Then I will click on add new. After that you can choose write your feed name. I will keep it like feed 1. Then the Mailchimp account, that you can see, select a Mailchimp account. As you can see here the name Ripon, so I'll select this one. and I need to choose the form, that which form I want to integrate the Mailchimp. So I'll choose the form here, from here to this one, the blog sidebar form. So I'll choose this one, and it is saying that the Mailchimp list that I want to set. So I'll go here again. I need to set it to Ripon, and you can see here the field mapping email that is required here. As you can see, you can check it, and you can check the data, disable automatic export and opt-in conditions, and you need to choose the primary key here. So I'll select it. It is only the email, so I'll select the email here, and do not update entry if already exists. So I'll select this one also. So if an email is already there, then the entry will be not updated. You can check these options to how this works. So now I will click here on the save feed button. One thing I forgot, that is from here in the email required field, I'll click on here, and you can see this select field. I need to select the field here, which field that I want to add here. So I will select the email here because I want the email to be required. So after selecting the email, I will click on here the save feed button. Then after that, I need to go here in the blog page, and again in here I need to type an email, like I am a visitor of this website. Now I want to get notified by this website. So I will type any kind of email here. So I will type any email @gmail.com. Then I will click on here with the subscribe button. Then it is saying that okay, thank you for your message, it has been sent. Now in here in the Mailchimp, as you can see here, 2 contacts. So I will give a refresh now, and you can see here another mail that we just entry here, that is here in our Mailchimp dashboard. So in this way you can add your by this plugin you can add the email to your Mailchimp account. So from here you can send the email to the visitors that has been subscribed to your website. So I'll try with another one here. If I suppose I want to type repon@gmail.com, and I want the visitor will click on the subscribe button. Then they will see a message like this. Then after that, in your Mailchimp dashboard, if you are having a dashboard like this, if you click on refresh, then you will see that another new mail has been subscribed to your mail service. So from here you can send email to your targeted customer. You can send various kind of offers to your customers. So thank you very much. See you in the next episode.